India's digital journey over the past decade has not only transformed services and governance but also laid the groundwork for strong economic growth. Digital industries have been growing at a faster pace than traditional sectors, showing how technology is becoming a key driver of progress. By 2030, the digital economy is expected to make up nearly one fifth of the country's total economy. India has made remarkable progress in its journey towards becoming a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. From expanding internet access in remote villages to revolutionizing public service delivery through digital platform, the country has bridged the urban-rural divide like never before. The digital economy, which contributed 11.74% to the national income in 2022 to 23, is projected to grow to 13.42% by 2024 to 25, driven by advancement in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and digital infrastructure. A robust digital infrastructure forms the backbone of a modern economy. India has significantly expanded mobile networks and improved internet connectivity in rural areas. Telecom and internet penetration. Total telephone connections in India grew from 93.3 crores in March 2014 to 120 plus crores in April 2025. The overall tele density in India, which was 75.23% in March 2014, rose to 84.49% in October 2024. Internet connection jumped from 25.1 crore in March 2014 to 96.96 crore in June 2024, registering a growth of 285.53%. Since 2016, the rapid expansion of 4G coverage brought high-speed connectivity to every corner of the country. Building on this momentum, the launch of 5G in October 2022 further accelerated India's digital journey, enabling even faster and smarter services. In just 22 months, India set up 4.74 lakh 5G based transceiver stations. As of now, 5G services cover 99.6% of the country's district with 2.95 lakh BTs installed in 2023-24 alone. This leap in infrastructure supports a mobile subscriber base of 116 crore in 2025, highlighting the scale and reach of India's digital surge. This improved mobile infrastructure has driven a massive surge in internet access. At the same time, the cost of wireless data has fallen steeply from Rs 300 per GB in 2014 to just Rs 9.34 in 2022, making digital services far more affordable. Technology has brought financial services closer to people, especially in rural and remote areas. UPI, digital payment boom. The Unified Payment Interface UPI transformed digital transactions across the country. In April 2025, over 1,000 867.7 crore transactions worth rupees 24.77 lakh crore were carried out using UPI in just 1 month. The UPI system is now used by close to 460 million individuals and 65 million merchants. According to the ACI World Bank report 2024, India accounted for 49% of global real-time transactions in 2023, reaffirming its position as a global leader in digital payment innovation. UPI is now live in over 7 countries, including the UAE, Singapore, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, France, Mauritius, making India a global trailblazer in digital payment. Its growing international adoption is boosting remittances, promoting financial inclusion, and strengthening India's position in the global fintech landscape. The Aadhaar-based eKYC system has helped simplify processes in both banking and public services. It made verification faster, reduced paperwork, and brought transparency across sectors. As of April 2025, 141.88 crore Aadhaar IDs have been generated. Aadhaar has now become a crucial part of India's digital backbone, helping people access services with ease. Launched in April 2022, the Open Network for Digital Commerce is a transformative initiative aimed at democratizing digital commerce. It envisions creating a level playing field for sellers, buyers, and service providers across India, particularly small and medium enterprises. Launched in 2016, Government e-Marketplace, created in a record time of 5 months, facilitates online procurement of common use goods and services required by various government departments, organizations, public sector undertakings. In India, e-governance has revolutionized the way citizens interact with the government by making services more accessible, transparent, and efficient. Through robust digital platform, it has empowered both citizens and officials, enhancing ease of governance across the country. India's digital transformation is not just about access, it's also about enabling people and institutions to use technology effectively. Over the past 11 years, this approach has driven inclusive growth, empowered citizens, and strengthened digital governance across the nation. The Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan was approved by the Union Cabinet in February 2017 to promote digital literacy and empower rural India through technology. The initiative aimed to make at least 6 crore individuals digitally literate, enabling them to confidently access digital services and information. With the broader aim to harness quantum technology in India to bolster sectors like communication, cryptography, and computing, National Quantum Mission has outlined specific objectives to advance India's capabilities in the quantum realm. Equipped with the state-of-the-art experimental setup, Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) has formed the Quantum Technology Research Center in Delhi. The facility aims to further strengthen indigenous quantum capabilities for strategic and defense applications. QRTC is designed to propel research and development in critical quantum domain. The key capabilities of this center include characterization of vertical cavity, surface emitting lasers, and distributed feedback lasers, test beds for evaluating single photon sources, setup for characterization of microfabricated alkali vapor cell, and experimental platform for developing and validating quantum key distribution techniques to enable ultra secure communication and safeguard national security in the post quantum era. India is rapidly advancing in cutting edge technologies to strengthen its position as a global innovation hub. Focus efforts are being made to boost AI capabilities, enhance compute infrastructure, and develop a self reliant semiconductor ecosystem. The India AI mission, approved by the Union Cabinet under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister on 7 March 2024, is a landmark initiative to build a comprehensive and inclusive AI ecosystem in India. It focuses on 7 strategic pillars: compute capacity, innovation center, dataset platform, application development initiative, future skills, startup financing, and safe and trusted AI, with a total outlay of rupees 10,371.92 crore over 5 years. The mission aims to advance responsible AI innovation aligned with national priorities. The India Semiconductor Mission is key to India's digital transformation, as semiconductor powers all modern digital technologies. By boosting local chip manufacturing, it lays the foundation for a self-reliant, faster, and more secure digital economy. The India Semiconductor Mission is a strategic initiative approved by the government with a total outlay of rupees 76,000 crore to build a robust semiconductor and display manufacturing ecosystem in the country. The mission aims to boost domestic value addition in electronics manufacturing, reduce reliance on imports, and integrate India's electronics industry with global supply chains. India's digital journey over the past decade has not only transformed services and governance but also laid the groundwork for strong economic growth. Digital industries have been growing at a faster pace than traditional sectors, showing how technology is becoming a key driver of progress. By 2030, the digital economy is expected to make up nearly 1/5 of the country's total economy. This shift highlights how digital advancements are helping create new opportunities, boost innovation, and make India a leader in the global digital landscape. Thank you.